Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Connected with the root bridge concept. I have heard about this.
Uttam thar ubade unong penya jongka kunhun sportive ulapan bana pajba ban Pynlong yak Mawlynnong run safari haka khatnyo tarik unailar arajar arpuar kabakan thup yak jingmare marathon hapo ka Shnong Mawlynnong ka pauna hagi kam jungo gai perthai lingba ka campaign dekho apna desh kakum ka jingbatai jong Uttam thar hakani ka jingmare marathon ka ba arpui ponjui kilometer pansai shimenta digi breu na kalengari India bat kumju nagari Bangladesh Nalor kata on piaru yak jingmare marathon haka binta 10 kilometer bat ka basan kilometer.
Online, so it can be easily connected. Request if
name is
Uttam Dhar, UTTAM
Dhar brother.
DHAR. I have got the advantage of this Dhar in Jammu. They were thinking.
You have big advantage here.
Here in the Shnong Press Club, and it is always very much pleasure and privilege for me whenever I go around to do the project. Whenever I meet the press peoples, because in society everything is getting successful when and only when the press and media is coming together and doing hand in hand. So this kind of project you will find that is known as Run Safari. Run Safari is basically build up a brand. That is run and safari means tour. So running is not just to make a run anywhere. Our intention to bring the peoples. Those are very much interested for running in different trends. When they will come, so generally most of the peoples or many peoples often opt for the tour. Like we are also getting some queries. Some people from Bangladesh and other people are asking us if there are any 2 days, 3 days tour available. So I am trying to communicate them if it is been possible within 2 or 3 days. And mostly, whenever we choose the location, it is always offbeat location. It is not within the city, which is very easy to do job anything in Shnong. I will get everything right on my hand. But we generally do often plan the project in different offbeat position and the place much known to any other. Because we are doing the things under one national campaign, Dekho Apna Desh, Swadesh Darshan. You know, it is a Minister of Tourism Mother campaign. Many of places in India, I did not visit many of the places like you people have always visited for your journalism and all these things. Many of places of India still not been recognized by national level. Whenever somebody is coming, even in different places, they are going for popular places for the tourism. But we are trying to bring in some new places which is also very much essential to know. Last year we did a project in Jaisalmer. Most of the people know Jaisalmer. But I am sure that many of people, even here, do not know where is the Langewala. Langewala is such a name which is connected with a film which is very much connected to all of you, that is known as Border. The Border film based on Langewala, and that place is one of the iconic places every Indian should visit, because in 1971 war, that was the place where India beat the Pakistan with a very minimum resource. That is some places. So it is not only the tourism, is to explore the place which is beautiful. There is a historical value, there is some other values which is connected to our independence. Recently you have seen that Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav has gone. So these kind of things we are trying to make in forward. We have a project in tea garden, we have a project in desert, we have a project in Himalayan Valley, even we are doing a project here. We particularly design a route because there is a lot of metal road. Many of people are asking why it is Mawlynnong. Many of people have asked us why you are doing rather than Shillong to Mawlynnong. Even somebody has referred as Macleod, because we wanted to do something in Mawlynnong. That is why we have taken. In Mawlynnong, the route what we have designed, it is not a normal route. They are the route, including the route bridge, so that when the people will run, even a person doesn't go over there to view the route bridge, even within the run, he will witness the route bridge as well. Because this is one of the iconic places. Over there, the people come here to visit. So that is the kind of route we generally do, and people get entertained. This event is professionally will be done with the timing system and all. Till of date, we have got around 60 to 70 people's registration. Even today morning, I have got a call from Delhi. They have a very good group. They are trying to come in. From Bangladesh, it is around 18 or 20 peoples, and peoples like who I got a one person who is a Chamber of Commerce, Select Chamber of Commerce Vice President, even the member of Rotary. He is also taking part. When he is coming, so he has a very good followers. Now, what is our intention to make the name of Mawlynnong not popular within some circle? it has to be gone beyond border as much as possible. By this event, we have been able to achieve that things. Still up now, we have got around 60 to 70 people have taken part, and all are from outside India, from Tamil Nadu, from Haryana, from Mumbai, from Delhi, and from Calcutta, and also some portion of middle portion, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Okay, and many of the people from Bangladesh, around 18 to 20 people. We are expecting many people from here. Okay, and we are trying to promote as well as another reason, that is women empowerment, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. We have also done this kind of project in Jaisalmer, and Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, it will be on a common agenda all over India, wherever we will do, because we believe when the women class are coming forward, they can make us more aggressive and more prospective. So here, all the people who are coming in face of the events are kind of all are ladies, and we are taking the girls' participation as much as possible. Around 30 to 40% people participation we are targeting to make the girls. Even a 4-year boy will take part in this run. Today I got a message from his mother, and mother is asking and requesting me let him to allow. I have told him with your guardian permission he can. Now the mother is telling, yes, I will run it and I will take care of you. Suppose a 4-year boy, if say when he participate, that will give a sense to other people, other kids. What we want to do, we want to induct this message of running among the youth so that they can take it as an entertainment. Out of other orthodox, mobile and other things, if they can take it. And most importantly, Northeast has a very good potential in respect of sports. So from this rural belt, hopefully by next 2 or 3 years, if we can continue this event by the support of you and other stakeholders, we can assure you next 3 years you will find a good athlete from there. So that is one intention as well. And marathon is always taken as a serious note of activity in different cities. You know, Mumbai, Delhi, there are a lot of people's participation. But marathon, including tourism, that is the word marathon tourism we want to establish among all the segments. We are also connected with the Minister of Tourism as well. That is why we have strategically named it Run Safari. It is not Mawlynnong half marathon or kind of, because it is a very common name. Run Safari is a strategic word where run and safari. It is a run along with an optional tour. So that is why we are looking for some places where people can come and they can enjoy the entire experience of the locality. And also the people's connectivity. Here we are in refreshment, we are trying to portray one food of Meghalaya. Pathura, if I am not, Putharu. Putharu, one food that we will include in the refreshment. Generally we do refreshment of that kind of, in Jammu we have done one project there. Rajma chawal was very popular. So they have been Rajma chawal as a local food. So I was searching around, so I have got this very nice food. I am telling you, it is one of the very healthy food. It can be good for runners. So Putharu will be another food. When the people of the other people will come, they will taste it. So in all sense, we are trying to rope in all possible segments, like the cultural part, music part, whatever it is. And it is not possible unless and until we are getting big hand support from all of you. Because ultimately, at the end of the day, everybody will look into the portrait and the pictures. That is. Okay, and in all these segments, all the people who will stand first, second, third, they will be awarded by trophy. And for senior citizens, for 50 plus or 55 plus, we will awarded first prize for 21 km and 10 km as well. And this route is designed very nicely, along with Mawlynnong, Makura, Navhat village and Liloy village also will be in association. SDO Pynlong has given our local support system, and they are also, and Shnong, Mawlynnong, that is the village over there, they are also trying to give as much as support as possible. So there are 3 reasons. One is Fit India movement, Dekho Apna Desh, incredible Meghalaya and incredible Mawlynnong, and the third one is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. All 3 these campaigns we are trying to portray to this marathon event, and we hopefully by now onward. Also, I would like to share you. Though here you will not find the logo, but Shnong Press Club will be our exclusive publicity partner for all kind of this. And everywhere and all kind of media, from today onward, if I got the logo, I am asking David sir as well to send the logo. So from here onward, we will start. But it is also registered as a Real Sports India, because it's a big name. That is why we have put it a small name, so it can be easily connected. We have done in this segment for last 5 to 7 years, and it is my only intention to bring marathon tourism as an integrated part of tourism promotion publicity. Even adventure tourism, you will find water kayaking and all this cycling. Even for a cycling, a person needs to have a 20,000 or 30,000 amounts of cycle. But marathon is common habit. Anybody can run anywhere. Now it is the most booming and most powerful weapons around the world. You will find no place in the world there is no marathon is happening. Even if you Google a single point space, type marathon, you will find a marathon. So that means marathon has a big community. So if we can convert their urgency and their eagerness for new terrain of running, one person can go in Mawlynnong. You will find a very good place. Suppose you are in a beach. When you will be standing in a beach, you will find an instigation, do some activity and excitement. So how you will convert the excitement? You can play football, kind of this. So we are creating an excitement model, so you can do that. So marathon, we want to connect with this. Connected with the root bridge concept. I have heard about this. So I then search out the micro hot and Cherrapunji, which is a very much popular. So recently I have when visited Mawlynnong, it also gave good number of publicity, but I have found some lacuna over there because there is a 1 point problem. We are also trying to communicate the other departments so that they can also educate some of the peoples over there who can talk in English and all. I have found a very big problem over there. And there is a lacuna of some of the things that I have already told them. When the people will come, you try to portray one podium over there so the handloom products or handicraft products can be displayed by the women over there. Maybe the people will choose, or maybe the people will come. So not only these things, because people are coming, they are turned around 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, then after they are taking restaurant and then go ahead. So there are no other activities they are finding out. So we are thinking if we can do that in the morning session, maybe it will be a new activity segment input as a USP for Mawlynnong. We are trying to bring it out. And Mawlynnong is also in the segment of another point I am telling you, maybe it needs to be articulated in the segment. Many of the people doesn't know why Mawlynnong, it is the cleanest village of Asia, that only things they are portrayed. But there is another point which will be very instigative point that I will try to promote, that is the viewpoint of Bangladesh. One of the point over there, when you will go down, you will find entire Bangladesh in naked eye. Very nice view. So that points also we are trying to, and this is a border segment. Mawlynnong is placing in a border segment. So there is the border tourism is one of the things that we need to articulate. Like the people are from Bangladesh is coming, we will display them as a good friends. We will display their stand as well. So this way, India-Bangladesh friendship relation also will be instigated. So it is both a beneficial. That is why we have thought Mawlynnong is the best place. 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers is a fun run. Anybody can take part. I am also trying to take the advantage of your portals and media. So many of the people here may thought, it is not my run, not my dish or cup of dish. So anybody can take run. Or you can run or walk, just take the fun out of it. It is not a hardcore marathon, it is not a hardcore Olympic Games, it is a run to give you a temporary gesture and the excitement, outburst of your excitement in a new terrain of locality. In Mawlynnong morning 6, it will be a nice thing that one can expect. Okay, and also I would like to request all of you, we will try our best if it is impossible. So if you can go over there as a guest, and if it is possible by some means, few of the reporters, then it will be nice in that side.